Today I will show you how to download and install Scala programming language in Windows 10 machine and create, compile and run Scala program. First of browse this website and click on download, and you will see installation instruction. First, make sure you have the Java 8 JDK or Java 11 JDK installed on your machine. Check it by this command. If you don't have it installed, download Java from Oracle or adopt OpenJDK. Download JDK, open JDK executable file and allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. In a short time it will be begin installation. Windows Installer preparing to install JDK. Okay, now click on next to continue installation, and this is the default installation location. You can change this directory if you need, otherwise let it to default and click on next to continue installation. Okay, JDK installed successfully. Open CMD and use this command to check it. Java C -- version. If you don't get this, you need to change environment variable. Okay, now I am going to install Scala. Scroll down and you will see the other resources here. Download Scala MSI file for Windows. I have downloaded it already, so double click on this file unknown publisher, run anyway. Okay, now click on next to continue, accept license agreement, and this is the default location. You can change it from here, otherwise next to continue installation, and now click on install. Okay, installation completed, so click on finish and reopen CMD. And check the version of scala C dash version. Okay, now I am going to create a Scala program. So open any text editor and create a new file, name hello dot scala. Okay, now define a object name hello, and define a function main arguments array a string okay. Now use print line to display a message in console, hello OS tech help. Okay, save this file and navigate to workspace and compile this Scala program using Scala C compiler, Scala C hello dot scala, enter, and this command will create a hello dot class file. Print line small letter. Okay, and see hello dot class and run this command to show the output. Scala hello and hit enter, and you will see hello with tech help. Okay, if you like this video, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.